Hello guys, this is Lana from Goodbird. Today we are doing prayer test for our Aquagrip Flange Adaptor. Our Aquagrip Flange Adaptor is restrained type and it is wide range. Our Aquagrip Flange Adaptor is suitable for use with steel pipe, cast iron pipe, PE pipe, PVC pipe, and AC pipes. Firstly, we need to install the Aquagrip Flange Adaptor. The step 1 is we need to start by cleaning the pipe surface from sand and dirt. The step 2 is we need to measure the outside diameter of the pipe and choose the right Aquagrip Flange Adaptor, which design range included the pipe outside diameter. The step 3, we need to loosen the Aquagrip Flange Adaptor box and insert the pipe. When we insert the pipe, we should pay attention. There should be a proper gap between the pipe end and the flange sealing surface. You know, because when we tighten the box to let the gasket be deformed for sealing, the pipe should move forward. If there is no proper gap between the pipe end and the flange sealing surface, the pipe can't move forward because of the blank flange. Then the gasket can't be deformed for sealing. There will be leakage. Step 4, we need to tighten the box symmetrically and repeatedly. Please note, do not tighten a single bolt at once. We need to tighten the box symmetrically and repeatedly for every bolt. Step 5, we need to wait for approximately 30 minutes to release the box initial tension and pipe stress. Then repeat step 4 and tighten the box again. Step 6, perform a prayer test run with the maximum prayer meeting 1.5 times the nominal prayer. If there is any leakage or seepage, close the prayer and repeat step 4 to 6 as needed.